right, brother. If you're a fan of wrestling, brother, you probably remember Greg The Hammer Valentine, brother. And what was his signature move? It was a figure four, brother. Guaranteed to win in the squared circle. But it turns out that the figure four may actually be a fantastic exercise, Greg The Hammer Valentine notwithstanding, brother. Jonelle Green from 9 Round joins us this morning. And so it turns out that Greg The Hammer Valentine may have been a bit ahead of his time with the figure four. What is that?
So the figure four is actually a great core exercise, and it also incorporates your quads and hamstrings. So it works the upper core, the lower core, the legs, everything.
Just in one exercise?
Just in one exercise.
All right. How do you put it together?
Okay, so the way you set up is you obviously lay down, drive your belly button to the floor so you're engaging your muscle, shoulder blades up off the ground. So just in doing that, everything's already engaged. Then you bring your leg up, cross the ankle over the knee, and crunch.
That's it.
So you want to make sure that your neck is nice and neutral. You're not leading with it. You're not trying to strain it too much. So you want to find a spot that's comfortable for you. And then do 10, 12 reps. Switch it up and do it again.
And you want to make sure your feet stay off the floor, obviously, when you're doing your reps. You don't want to move up and down. You're going to keep it up in that V kind of angle, right?
So it all depends on your strength level. So the lower your leg, the harder it is. The higher the leg, the easier it is. And you can even kind of bend this knee.
Right.
To provide some more support for your lower back.
Now, you also shouldn't do, like sometimes folks that get crunches, they tend to put their hands behind their head and try to pull their neck up doing this. That's a no-go, right?
Right. You definitely don't want to be pulling on your neck. You want it in a nice neutral position in line with your spine.
And so that figure four comes in because you're making that four with your legs. So your knees crossed and you're making the four all together.
Yes.
I love it.
We're incorporating some math.
Some math in there. And how many sets do we want to do of those?
Do about 3 of each side.
Okay.
I think that's a good starting spot.
All right, let's see it one more time. Jonelle Green from 9 Round in Lexington. Guys, the figure four, not the leg lock, I suppose, but it's the figure four crunch. Look at that. All right, just like that. That's simple on a Fitness Friday. You can go ahead, brother. That's all you got to do, brother. The figure four crunch, brother. Yeah, it's a Fitness Friday, brother. That's my best wrestler I can do from the 80s, Jonelle.
If you bring that sort of energy to every exercise, you're good.
Stay close. Good Morning Columbia is coming right back.